Clark & Associates are proud to present the Scenic Ranch near Rapid City, South Dakota. Located approximately 35 miles southeast of Rapid City, the ranch is conveniently located in the heart of the much sought-after Pennington County. This productive grass ranch consists of 1,856 deeded acres of rolling hills, cedar-break pastures, spring draw, and natural springs that wind through the north end of the ranch. Historically, the Scenic Ranch has been a spring calving operation with an owner-rated carrying capacity of 140 to 170 cow-calf pairs. Scenic Ranch is home to mule deer, white-tailed deer, antelope, turkey, and several upland bird species. The tree-filled draws and springs offer an abundance of year-round natural protection for a large number of wildlife, and the ranch has not been hunted in the past 10 years. This well-established ranch provides all the necessary components to continue managing the ranch as a year-round cow-calf operation, or to modify the operation to a productive yearling enterprise. The 30 by 60 foot steel shop is next to the well-maintained ranch-style home built in 1973. Cattle facilities include a 38 by 72 foot Quonset and livestock corrals. It has 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, an attached garage, and numerous updates throughout the home from the remodel in 2018. The Scenic Ranch, an excellent cattle ranch near Rapid City, South Dakota.